Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your LinkedIn recruiter subscription step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer for the clearest access to subscription settings. Go to LinkedIn.com and sign in with the account that owns the LinkedIn recruiter subscription. Click the Me icon at the top of the LinkedIn homepage, your profile picture. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click Billing. If you do not see Billing, click Subscriptions and Payments or look for a Billing and Payments section. Under Billing, find your active plan and locate LinkedIn Recruiter in the list of subscriptions. Click Manage Subscription or View Details next to LinkedIn Recruiter. Review the plan page to confirm you are managing the correct recruiter seat and account. Look for an option that says Cancel Subscription, Cancel Plan, or Turn off Auto Renew. Click the Cancel option and wait for the confirmation screen to load. Choose a reason for cancellation if LinkedIn asks you to select one. Carefully read any notice about remaining access until the end of the billing period. Confirm whether you are canceling immediately or canceling renewal at the next billing date. If both options appear, click Continue to cancel to move to the final confirmation step. Check the price and renewal date shown to make sure you are stopping future charges. Click Confirm Cancellation to submit your request. Wait for the on-screen message that says your subscription has been canceled or will not renew. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from LinkedIn. If you do not receive an email within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Go back to Settings and Privacy, then Billing, and confirm the subscription now shows canceled or expiring. If you purchased Recruiter through Apple or Google, cancel it in your Apple ID subscriptions or Google Play subscriptions instead of LinkedIn. If your recruiter is billed through a company contract, contact your internal admin or LinkedIn account manager to request cancellation. If you cannot find the Cancel button, try switching to the correct LinkedIn account or the correct recruiter contract in the plan page. Clear your browser cache or try an incognito window if the billing page does not load properly. If the issue continues, visit LinkedIn Help and search for Cancel Recruiter Subscription to open a support request. Before you leave, export any important data or notes you may need, because access may end when the billing period finishes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.